how to enable the kill switch feature on ExpressVPN. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to enable the kill switch feature on ExpressVPN. So for that case, you have to first of all log in into your ExpressVPN. When you're logged in, by default it's going to direct you to the home page, and while you're on the home page you can go ahead and tap the settings icon from the bottom right hand side, or just tap the menu bar from the top left hand side corner. When you press on it, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. So from the list you need to go ahead and click on the options button. As you click the options button, then you should be able to find list of VPN settings. So under it you can find this option as kill switch feature. So you can just toggle the button next to it in order to enable it, and likewise to disable it you just need to toggle the button, do the same procedure. And that's how you can disable or enable the kill switch feature on ExpressVPN. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.